Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to get on Google Chat. So Google Chat is a place where you can chat or converse with someone in your mail with your colleagues or your friends or even family. So you can find it on Gmail. So if you want to get on the Google Chat, you need to open the Google Mail or Gmail in your browser, and then here you can just go to the settings and then click on see all settings, and then here you'll find the chat and meet option at the top toolbar, and you can just click on that. And here at the chat section, you need to change it from classic hangouts into Google Chats, and then click on save changes. Okay, so just wait until the Gmail is reloading, and then here you will find the Google Chat section or option at the left panel. You can see the chat option, and then you can just click on the plus icon to start a chat with another person in your company or your colleagues. Okay, so that's the first option. Or you can also open the Google Chat by click on this mail.google.com/chat in your browser, and this will be open. So it's basically the same with this one, but this is the bigger window. So you can just also click on the plus icon to start a new chat. Okay, so that is how you can get on the Google Chat. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in the comment. I'll see you on in the next videos. Bye bye.